Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to show you a quick video. I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible on how to update your Realtek audio drivers. Now this will work on your desktop PC, your laptop, old desktop. It will work if you have a Realtek audio chip and you want to update to the latest driver. First what you do is go to Google, type in Realtek UAD Driver Github. Now, once you do that, search up, you want to go to the GitHub result. Okay? Now, this is how the page looks. Okay, this is a free and open source tool. Now, you can go ahead and you can read through the page, you can read through the information, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go through it as quick as possible. So, once you're on this page, click on Releases right here on the right. So, as of making this video, there's two versions you can download. And these are both of the versions. 6.0.9459.1 and 6.0.94641. Now this is the latest one, 9464.1. I'm going to get that one. So to download it, you scroll down here and you click on assets. If it's already expanded for you, just click on right here. And this will prompt to install the file. Just save the file as save it in a folder. Now what you can do as well is you can download, this is optional by the way, you don't have to do this, you can download the Realtek Audio Control software program, the Realtek Audio Control app. As you can see right here, this is the information about it. Once again, this is optional. Now once you download them, open up the file, the folder that you saved them in. In my case, this is the folder, and you want to just unzip them or extract them. So I've extracted the Realtek UAD Generic. You want to open up the folder, go into the folder. Now I want to show you right now the current version of the Realtek audio driver that I have. So the current version of Realtek audio driver I have is 6.0.94521, and I want to update to the latest, which is 6.0.94641. Now this is really simple. Once you're in the folder, you see this setup file right here. It says setup.cmd. Now this will update using the command prompt. So what you want to do is, it's really simple, is just double click it, and this is the window that pops up. Let me open up like a different page. There we go. So this is the window that pops up. You can just follow instructions. Now remember, your audio might go out when you're installing this update. So just follow the instructions on the screen. So press any key to continue. Now it says, do you want to install unofficial and minimal Realtek UAD generic package? Y for yes, N for no. So you do want to install this. So press Y, press enter. Press any key to continue. Press any key to continue. Once again. Now you can go ahead and read through this. The operation completed successfully. Press any key to continue. And just like that, we've updated the Realtek Audio Driver to the latest version. And that's it, guys. It's really that simple. Now, just to confirm that I've updated, I'm going to run Realtek Audio Control again. Give me a second here. So as you can see, Audio Driver version 6.0.94641, which is the latest version of the Realtek Audio Driver. Okay, now once again, it's optional to download the Realtek Audio Control. But if you want to download it, it's right here. Realtek Audio Control. So same thing, you click on the link, save the file. It's a zip file, by the way. And you just extract it. Go into the folder. Now there's going to be a few files here. What you want to do is open up the one that says bundle all the way in the end, right here in the name. So double click it. It's because I already have it installed. But you can click the setup folder right here, the setup link. The setup file, setup.cmd. And there we go, it's already installed, even though I already had it. So alright guys, that's just a video on how to update your Realtek audio drivers for any system that you have. It's really simple, it's really easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I will take my time and help you out. Alright guys, take care, peace.